guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread will be from the 16th of April through the 22nd. And let me show you what we're going to do. I'm so excited. A viewer requested that I do the Osmonds as a throwback to the heartthrobs of the 70s. And I said, sure, why not? Growing up, I loved Donny Osmond. So this is the paper that I found, and it just reminded me of the 70s, and I thought that went with it very nicely. And then this washi is from Dollar Tree, and I love that. I think that complements that very well. And this marker, I believe I got from Dollar Tree, so that's what I'm going to be using, and I made my own stickers. So let me take my pages out of my planner. And I'm so glad everybody loved the Treasure of Sierra Madre. I really enjoyed doing that too. Okay, I've decided that I want this to be the dominant paper. I think this is going to be so cute. Okay, let's put our paper down. I just love this idea. I think it is such a good idea. It brought back so many memories doing this. All right, let's put our paper down. And Hobby Lobby was having a sale with their paper. It was 50% off. So you can't beat that. Bought another glue stick because my other one ran out. Okay, I'm liking that. So let's put our washi down. I think this is gonna go really good together. Totally gives me that 70s vibe, and like these are almost the bright lights that are shining on them. Oh, I really do love that. Okay, so this is just a sticker that says the Osmonds, and I'm just gonna put it right up here. And then this one is of the group, Donnie and his brothers, and I'm gonna put them right up here in the corner. Okay, and this sticker is all of them standing on the stairs before they performed, and Jimmy is in this one. I think I'm gonna put this one right like this. Okay, and then here, this is just all of them in their white jumpsuits, including Jimmy. And I think that's really cute. And then I believe this is Donnie singing with them. I think I'm gonna put him right in here, like that. And then this is Donnie. I thought I had the biggest crush on him when I was growing up. I thought he was awesome. And I couldn't believe it when I was making the stickers. I had this album and I listened to it all the time when I was in elementary school. I think I'm gonna put this one. I think I'm gonna stick this one about right in there. And I had this lunchbox. I was in like the 5th grade. It was something, it was hilarious. think I'm gonna put that one about right there. And then here they are as a group, Osmond Brothers. I think I'll put this one right here. Oh, got that one a little crooked. And then here are the brothers minus Donnie, and Jimmy's not in here naturally, when they're a little older. And I think I will put that one right like that. And then here's these trading cards of the Osmonds. And then here are all of them, including Marie. I think I'll put this one maybe like right in between. And then the last one I printed out is, I believe they're all here. I don't know if Jimmy's here or not. He may be, but that includes Marie. So I thought I would include that, what they look like now. Okay, oh, I love that. Let me write some things I need to do. Okay, let me put it back in my planner. I think this is adorable. I am so glad that you suggested this. I've had so much fun doing this and had so many happy memories come by. I couldn't believe that I found my album, my lunchbox and everything, and I wasn't even trying to find it. So here's my spread for the Osmonds. I love the paper, I love the washi, and I really do love the stickers. I had such a good time doing this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.